Oh, hello. There's a toilet there. There's a toilet right there. What's going on, guys? We are back in the van and I am taking it apart. So here's what I got so far. I've got my wires, fuses, all that stuff. I was able to, thanks YouTube University, I was able to take my radio out, disconnect that, and now I'm going to test with this multimeter that my brother gave me. I'm going to test both these 12 volts, see if they're actually drawing. Take this thing and hardwire it into the vehicle. I'm about to test this stuff. Coffee on deck. Wish me luck. Okay, it is cold out here. Guys, we have a win. Let me tell you, I'm trying not to get ahead of myself. I just started this thing up cold and it is running. It sounds so clean. It sounds so much better. Here's the thing. It was a simple fuse. So my little brother educated me on a couple things. This little guy right here, this burnt fuse was stopping several things I just learned. Basically the computer from inside the engine from working properly. I do a simple diagnostic, found that it didn't work. I just replaced a fuse. I just started it up and man, it sounds super clean. This sounds like it's almost new. And he explained to me what the computer does, how it basically maps the system. It measures the barometric pressure of the air, but super cool, very happy about it. We're about to take it for a spin and see how it does with that. Then I'll continue testing some of this other stuff, but right now the thing called an OBD2 sensor was not working, and just switching the fuse got that to work. We're gonna plug it up in a minute to my brother's scan tool to see what the deal is. My cigarette lighter is working now. It's we're winning it. What's happening, guys? I am about to do some cooking. It's a little dark in here. Actually, it just looks dark in here because there's not a lot of light. Meal prep in the van. Meal prep for the most part, a couple of salads, overnight oats, but this is what I got. So essentially this is what I have. I made some chicken rice. Under here it's eggs with one of those burger patties, and carrots, sweet potato, veggie mix, sauteed Asian stir fry eggs, whatever the case is. These are some of the gains for the next couple days. All right, gang, meal prep is done. The van is nice and clean. As you can see, I took the back off of my rolly stool because one of the arms cracked. It's inexpensive. The whole chair was like 30 bucks. Inexpensive aluminum. And I am going to look to get some new casters, some new wheels, because these bad boys are starting to destroy. Already chipped up some of the corners and stuff on my floor. For a while now, the wheels haven't even rolled. They just scrape for the most part, unless they just happen to be in the direction of that I'm moving. So I'm gonna get some better ones with some proper rubber, so that way I can actually roll across the floor and it will feel smooth. That's my plan. That's my plan for today. What's going on, guys? I am posted up here at a Planet Fitness to do some work for the day. Still feeling a little bit tired. Got some caffeine on deck. For those of you Black Card members, you can come in here and just get some work done, hop on the Wi-Fi, plug in the laptop. It's not too bad. Tell me, doc. Well, shoot me straight. She ain't gonna make it. Doing some work. Oh man. Undulating voltage issue. Last weekend I was on the road and the voltage on the battery was just up and down, up and down, up and down. And it ended up going into limp mode after about an hour of driving. So basically over the course of the weekend, I was using that bad boy, the jump box, to start it literally every time I started up, and then got back here to my brother's place, and we are sorting it out. Side note, I get nervous when it comes to mechanical and electrical stuff, so I'll never work on my own cars, like, ever. I can create stuff, I can build stuff, but mechanical and electrical I don't do. But what's super cool, here are the guts of the old girl, well, the batteries anyway. My brother just plugged it up to this thing, which apparently is just amazing. It's supposed to charge the batteries, do a diagnostic, read, charge, like essentially just get them up to really like peak condition. And honestly, they're relatively new batteries. Everything I have inside of the actual charging system, the starter, the alternator, the batteries themselves, they're all less than a year old, all brand new, which is make me wonder why I'm having issues with it. But in any case, that's where I'm at right now. So by end of the day, tomorrow, I will have sorted out the issue with the batteries. I'll have 2 batteries that are super full, ready to rock. They're reading fine. They're reading like 12.8, 12.9. The batteries are good. So fingers crossed, things will work out well, because I got another busy week coming up, and I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. For those of you watching, thanks so much. Really enjoying just getting back in and doing this and sharing the van life adventure with you guys. A lot more to come, and big things on the horizon. So I'll get to you guys later.